Good morning, students. We will discuss about science practical and journal book. In this practical book, it consists of Navneet Vikas journal. You have to buy this. It was told to you. Now, how to write and all what practicals are to be written, we will discuss over. You have to apply brown cover to this book like this. Correct? Now, further, now this science practical book as we open towards it, correct? It will show you index. Index is nothing but your part 1 and part 2. To fill the index will be informed to you later. Now, this books will consist of this way pages. So, half you will divide for science 1 and half you will divide for science 2. Like this, this is one page, this is second page, this is third page, and so on. So, similarly, half for science 1 and half for science 2. In these practicals, at right hand side, experiment number and date, that part you will keep empty. We science teacher will inform you to experiment numbers and date. First it will be aim, title, which will be given to your backside of the experiment. Then it will be requirement. Even the chemistry part, that is chemicals and that all what will be put over there. When procedure or a method is described, if the procedure is small, point wise, you can write on new line. If it is big, you continue writing over there. Similarly, your conclusion, inflation, and your precaution. That all part to is to written right hand side. Left hand side, you will draw. This is a drawing paper, that is plain white paper. Diagram. Diagram should be compulsory with pencil. Label it with pencil. Then your observation table को भी पेंसिल से लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. इवन डायग्राम को भी बॉर्डर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. You have to draw calculation if there for physics practical will be assigned. Even your science, chemistry reactions you have to write in left hand side. As per the practical, the pages will be assigned to you. You have to write. On the right hand side, you have to use pen. On the left hand side, apart from diagram and its label, you have to use pen for diagram. You have to label it with pencil. If it goes wrong, I will tell you to prepare the journal again. So make sure you do it properly with proper care. Now going towards the practical part. Now at present, this is the first practical, that is nothing but you will write in science 1. It will require one page. You will utilize its one page. This is one page. Correct? So science practical 1 you will write. This is experiment first you will write. Then science practical 2, that is of 2 page. You will use 2 page, 1 and 2. This will require 2 page. Then you will write third practical, that is also 2 page, 1 and 2. This is big practical. Make sure students you write it costly and keenly. This will be your third practical, and next you will write is your fourth practical. This one you will write. This will require 1 page. It will require 1 page. So at present you will write now 4 practicals. Total we will see 8 to 9 practicals. Maximum 9, minimum 8. Everyone have to make compulsory. This will be science 1 practical you will be writing. As you make science 2 practicals, पहले 15 पेज या 18 पेज जो भी आधे पेज रहेगी वो साइंस 1 के लिए छोड़ेगी. फिर साइंस 2 का वहाँ से चालू करेंगे. और उसके लिए अभी फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल आप जो लिखेंगे साइंस 2 के लिए, एक्सप्लेनिंग यू फॉर द साइंस 2, स्टडी ऑफ माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस, ये बड़ा वाला प्रैक्टिकल लिखोगे. दिस प्रैक्टिकल यू विल राइट. इट विल रिक्वायर 3 पेजेस. इट विल रिक्वायर 3 पेजेस. 3 से ज़्यादा पेज यूज़ नहीं करने आपने, 2 भी नहीं और 4 भी नहीं. 3 पेजेस विल बी. 1 प्रैक्टिकल यू विल राइट दिस. Then second practical you will write this. It will require 1 page, that is experiment number 2, binary fission. Then you will write study of hibiscus flower. This will also require 1 page. That will be your practical number 3 for science 2. And then fourth practical, human reproductive system. This will require 2 pages. Human reproductive system, 2 pages. These 4 practicals you will write. So you will complete 4 practicals in science 1 and 4 practicals in science 2. Remaining practicals will be explained to you in next lecture. Whatever doubts you have, science 1 or science 2, you can consult to me or Wak sir. Make sure students you keep your book clean and tidy. While writing the practicals, use gel pen or ink pen. No using ball pen. Use gel pen or ink pen. Use appropriate pencil. Mark your diagram with scale and pencil properly. Any doubts, queries, do revert me on my personal number, or Wag sir on its personal number. Complete your 4 practical science 1, 4 practical science 2. Next week, after 10 days, I will give you remaining practicals of science 1 and remaining practicals of science 2. Students, make sure pages जिसके जितने बोले उतने यूटिलाइज करो. Pages should not get one or the extra pages, otherwise it will make problem. If the journal is inappropriate, I will make you to write the journal again. Thank you.